In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo 960 key fob. You can do this process at home all by yourself, and you don't need any special tools to get it done. You'll just need a CR2025 battery and a coin, just a regular coin. And we can just get started right away by flipping this thing over and finding this section on the back with the indentation there. Take your coin, insert it in, and twist counterclockwise. And once you'll turn and it will kind of stop there, and then it might get stuck on your coin like that, and you can just pull it right out. Otherwise, you'll just get your fingernail under there and lift it up and out. Now you can leave this little rubber ring on there, but it often falls off, so I'll just show you how to put that back on at the end, which is really simple. But for now, just pull the battery right out of here. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2025. See that right there. And when you're putting your new battery into place, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And then you'll just click it down in between these three plastic tabs so that it sits flat in there. And now you can take the rubber ring, loop it around those tabs on the outside. And now we can put it back together. So go ahead, and you actually want to line it up. You can just turn it around until it falls into place, kind of twisting and pushing, but you really can just go right to that angle. That's how it's going to fit in there. And once you can push it down, you're ready to just twist. So push it down, give it a twist until this is horizontal, and then you'll feel that it is closed up and good to go. So now you have a new battery in there. You should be good for a long time. And so yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, you can let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like, which we really do appreciate. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a video just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.